Good morning to all. Capacitance switching with a multiple restrike. During capacitance switching, practically there is a chance of sequential restaking. In figure, R2 represent sequential restrike and C2 represent sequential clearing. In practice, restrike will not occur precisely at the voltage peak. Some capacitance will exist on the source side of the breaker, which will introduce higher frequency of disturbances. When the multiple restaking occurs, it is possible for a voltage of 4 per unit to be developed across the switch. Current suppression and other problems can rise during capacitance switching operations are example of over voltages caused by the release of stored energy in the system. Ferroresonance. In series resonance, a very high voltage can appear across the element of series LC circuit when it exceeds or near its natural frequency. The diagram will be represented for the series inductance connected to the capacitance. Then series inductance means voltage across the inductance VL, then voltage across the capacitance VC. In series connection, voltage different, current same. The phasor diagram will be represented for leading voltage in inductance, lagging voltage in capacitance. It is evident that voltage VL and VC add to given applied voltage. Voltage across the inductor leads the current phase by 90 degree and the capacitor voltage lags the current by the same amount. It's in both VL and VC can far exceed voltage. Voltage condition of this kind of sustained and therefore more properly called dynamic overvoltage rather than transients. Such conditions are to be avoided power circuit, but it occurs. This refers ferroresonance since the inductor ion code. The linear character of this inductor also introduce some effects. There will be a significant distortion in the current voltage across the L and C, but it is ignored initially and concerns fundamental components only. Also, we can neglect the resistance in the first resistance. The voltage across the inductance will be depends on frequency omega and the current through a function is VL is equal to omega F I. So, VL is the plotted as a function of current. This voltage leads the current by 90 degree. The voltage across the capacitor is given by Vc is equal to 1 by omega C. The significance indicates that anti-phase with the VL and lags the current by 90 degree. The total voltage will therefore be V is equal to VL plus Vc. And VL is equal to V plus 1 by omega C, showing that VL is a fixed constituent and it's proportional to the current. Since both A and B represent VL, the operating point must be where the two lines are crossed at point P. The capacitor voltage in the instant of PQ and the inductor PB, which most exceeds V, which are the current given by QP. The voltage applied to the capacitor alone, it would take in large current IC. But if voltage applied to the inductor alone, the current would be the smaller of 1 IL. Slope of the inclined line is given by tan omega is equal to 1 by omega C. So indicating the omega and C is reduced, the slope will decreases and interrupting the point will progress up the curve. Simultaneously, VC and VL increasingly sharply. The figure also that capacitor lines makes a multiple interconnections with the omega f. Three such intersections A, B, C has shown in. It will be observed that values of VL, V and VC corresponding the points negative as per exits V and C. Also VC greater than VL for point VC less than VL for a point P. Both A and B stable operating point since any slight variations current to the initial value. Point C is a not stable variations current I cause changes in VL and VC, such as to reinforce the deviations and destabilize rather than stabilize. Figure shows the operating characteristics of series connected capacitors and linear inductor. The line AB is the characteristics of inductor and the characteristics of capacitor Jk and J dash K dash according to the value of capacitor. The operating point will be B or P dash. For a given capacitor, there is only an operating point omega greater than 1 by omega c and P dash omega less than 1 by omega c. If C is reduced, Jk becomes steeper, at Jk becomes less than, so that the limit when the line becomes parallel AB, the voltage Vc and VL becomes infinite. There is no such conditions when there is a saturation inductor characteristics. There is not true resonance through voltage make it excessive. Resistance is always present in practical reactor, whether linear or non-linear. This has limiting effect of reactor voltages in the both instances. Introducing the resistance charges, the basic equation. So V is equal to VL plus VC squared plus I into R whole squared. VL is equal to omega f I is equal to V squared minus I into R whole squared plus 1 by omega c. This can plotted, the first term of the right equation is ellipse. It's plotted three different R values. First itself around horizontal axis, then inclined in combined 1 by omega c. There are again 3 points of intersection. A, B are stable, C is not. The voltage limiting effect of the resistance quite marked as a value of R is increased may provided a form of production practical circuits. The next topic, ferroresonance situations arise in practice. Figures shows as a switch is used to energize the de-energize the primary of the transformer. The two are interconnected by the length of cable. In disturbances system, the switching devices are mounted on the top of the pole of transformer on the nearby the bad at ground level. This switch is shown in only one pole closed. This condition prevails momentarily closing at the first pole completes its circuits or an opening before the last pole disconnects. It could be sustained if one pole could strike in the closed position. Some circuits kinds use of fuse in series switch to interrupt fault current. It might appear at first that with only one pole of switch closed, the transformer is not energized. In a way, this is true. There is a remain path for current flow, two of the phase winding and the capable capacitance and inductive in figure. This current can be produced resonance and improve excessive voltage across the transformer and the cables, the unalogized phases. At the instant lightning arrestor connected to B and C, pushing of the transformer is operated. If the condition is sustained, repeated operation can destroy arresters. Ferroresonance over voltages on Y and delta connected transformer during single phase winding depends on transformer size and light or cable. The mechanism of producing over voltages are based on ferroresonance phenomena and are not extremely sensitive to types of generator, types of transformer, connection, location of capacitor or other equipment parameters. The voltage depends on the establishment harmonic resonance circuit utilizing the transformer saturation characteristics existing of power factor, correcting capacitor on the feeder and the source energy sufficient to maintain transformer saturation. Neutral resistor is used to damp the ferroresonance. Thank you.